Hello my dear KCET champions, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. This is your Ekta ma'am here. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to purchase the ABHYAS KCET 2026 test series. Yes my dear students, a lot of you had doubts about how to purchase it. Ma'am, we want to purchase it but we don't know the steps. So here's a step-by-step guide for you to purchase the ABHYAS KCET test series. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to go in the description of this video and you need to click on that link. The store link is in the description. You click on that link and my dear students, after clicking on that link, you select the ABHYAS KCET 2026 test series. This page will open, right? So in this page, click on the ABHYAS KCET 2026 test series, right? After clicking on that, you click the buy now option. Okay, after selecting the ABHYAS KCET 2026 test series, you click on the buy now option. Okay, after clicking on the buy now option, what you will see, you'll see basic details about your name, last name, first name, last name, mobile number, email, password, confirm password, gender, class and board. One more thing, important thing actually, you put your correct mobile number and your correct email address, as your login details will be shared on that respective mobile number as well as on email ID. The login details will be shared on the email ID. Any updates will be shared on WhatsApp on your number. Okay, so please my dear students, put your correct number and email ID in here. Okay, then password, confirm password, gender, your class and board, right? After filling all the details, you register yourself if you have not already created an account on Deeksha Vedantu app. Okay, now if you already have been registered there, you purchase something, you are already studying there, so what you can do, you can log in. You can log in via your OTP, right? You enter the mobile number and your password, and then either you log in using your password or you log in with OTP, right my dear students? Okay, now after registering yourself or login in, you do the payment, right? So you click on this option, pay, right? After clicking on the payment option, what you will see, you'll see so many payment options. You'll see UPI, cards, EMI, net banking, right? So any option whichever suits you, open that option, click on that option, right? And you'll see in UPI QR code or any apps are there, right? And then after doing the payment, my dear students, this confirmation will come as your registration is shown successful, right? All the details are there, the payment is successful and your account is successfully created on the Deeksha Vedantu app. Yes, now your login details will be shared on your mail ID. That's why I mentioned beforehand, your mail ID should be correct. You should put the correct email ID there, as you will get your login details. These login credentials will be used to log in the app or the web page, okay, wherever you are accessing your ABHYAS KCET test series. So your login details will be shared via email, and then the step 9 is download the app. Deeksha Vedantu app. Again, it's available on the Play Store. You can download it from Play Store. Any mobile, Android, iOS, everywhere it's there, Deeksha Vedantu app, right? Or if you can access it from Deeksha Vedantu web page also. There's a website, Deeksha Vedantu website. All the links will be in the description. Do check them out, right? And then you just download the app. Your login credentials will be available on your mail ID, and you put all those login credentials on your web page if you're accessing via website or in the app, right? And then my dear students, you can get the benefit of the ABHYAS KCET test series. Just a quick recap what is there. So it has 35 KCET full length mock test, chapter wise KCET PYQs, real KCET exam pattern and timing, and full PCMB coverage, right? So yes, that was all, and that's how you purchase it. And my dear students, all the best for your KCET exams. You got this. Take care.